Hey traders, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the world of online trading and uncovering the truth about CoinField. I'm Joran, and on this channel, we're all about keeping you informed and safe in your trading endeavors. Looking for a brokerage that promises sophistication and skill? CoinField might catch your eye, but before you dive in, let's uncover what's really going on behind the sleek facade of CoinField. Stick around to find out if they're all finesse or just another scam. CoinField may present itself as a sophisticated and reputable broker, but don't be fooled. Our investigation has uncovered a troubling pattern of misconduct. Traders have reported numerous issues, including difficulties withdrawing funds, unexpected fees, and unresponsive customer support. Many have found themselves trapped in a web of deceit, unable to access their own money. Furthermore, CoinField operates without proper regulatory oversight, disregarding the rules and regulations put in place to protect investors. We will show more details in further sections. Read our CoinField Scam Broker Review for more details. You will get the link in this video description. Before entrusting your hard-earned money to CoinField, it's crucial to understand the risks involved and to proceed with extreme caution. So how can you protect yourself from falling victim to scams like CoinField? First and foremost, always conduct thorough research before investing with any broker. At brokercomplaintalert.com, we're dedicated to helping victims of crypto and forex scams like CoinField. Visit our website for expert advice and guidance on recovering your stolen funds. Stay vigilant, and together we can beat the scammers. Thanks for watching.